All right, I'm jacked up on Dr. Pepper and I'm ready to play some video poker. This video, we're going to play about 50 hands with the goal of being to make money, of course, or in this case, make some credits, be above this 10,000 credit mark. I think the main goal is, though, is to get the percentage correct, at least in the 80s. I'm just learning how to play video poker to see if you can make money playing video poker, and I'm not going to put any live money on it till I know exactly what I'm doing here for the most part. And one of the ways, thanks to this videopoker.com training software that I have, one of the ways I know that I'll have the best shot of winning money, it's not guaranteed, of course, it's gambling, is playing almost a perfect game here. And that's why the goal is to try to get, for me at this stage of just learning, in the 80% correct when I deal these hands. And you see, or as I play along here, if I make the right play, it's going to be green. It's going to show you the correct cards to hold. Yellow if I make a mistake, but it's not too bad. A major mistake's red. So let's get going. I'm going to play about 50 hands, I think. 50 hands of video poker. And once I get quicker at this, I could probably play 100 hands in the same amount of time if I just don't talk as much. Right, so we hold the deuce. I'm playing deuces wild there. And as soon as I said that, this shows that, hey, I screwed up already. So I'm 50% already because we're going for the straight flush. Didn't happen that time, but it will, no doubt. In time, it will happen. 4, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's the right play. 5, 6. No. Ooh, 2 deuces. All right. So the thing in video poker is, the way I see it, at the very least, I'm going to get 3 of a kind, right? So that's the very least. But as you see, I'm sitting right here. I can get, either you hold these 2 deuces, hope you get for 4 deuces, which is 1,000 credits, which is great. Of course, in video poker, the ultimate is a royal flush with no deuces, if you're playing deuces wild. But I think the play here is a straight flush. Because I got this, so this could be 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's the right play. Hallelujah. All right, so we got a straight flush because we got 3 deuces that helps us get this straight flush. So nice. So we started out with 10,000 credits. We're at 30 above that. We got some 3s here. Oh, we got full house. So far we played 7 hands. I screwed up 1 because I was kind of talking, wasn't really paying attention as I should have. 86%, but most importantly, we're up quite a bit so far. So far, so good. 3, 4, 5, yep. So, right one. We're playing 50 hands in this session. We're going to go for another deuces while. We're playing deuces while. Full house. Didn't happen that time, but can't complain because we got already 1 full house so far. All right, so this is nothing. Nothing here. Uh-oh. Oh, we got a bad streak, bad draw of card. Ooh, I think we do so far. Good metaphor in life. You got to play with the hand you're dealt, right? Okay, so we got 4 of a kind. So far in this young session, the best we've got was or the highest paying we got was a straight flush. 4, I think it's the 4. Ooh, I think it's, instead of holding these 2 4s, I think you go for another straight flush. Am I right or wrong? Ah, I'm wrong. Hold the 2 4s. I was rolling the dice there. Man, I think this is just holding the deuce instead of holding all these. No, shoot. Uh-oh. Hold on now. Hold on. That was a major mistake. See that big no? All right, so the software's telling me, and that's true. You want to take the risk because the reward is going to be worth the risk if you can pull off a royal flush with deuces. Didn't happen that time, but that was the right play. So that's my bad. That was a major mistake on my part. I'm just learning, though. Okay, so we got nothing here. Nope. We're still up, but we're fading fast, folks. We're fading fast. 7. Got these kings right here. King or deuce. Got some 5s. 5's my favorite number. What's your all's favorite cards? I love the good 8 right here. My favorite suit is probably the spades. What card's your favorite? Leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, 9, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't think that's anything. Okay, now our winning percentage is going up. So remember, I'm more, as far as training goes, I'm more about the outcome, or not about the outcome. I'm more about the process, getting good, making good decisions, making this percentage pretty good. I think this is the right play. I could be wrong, though. All right, so that's right. That's right. That's right. Like Puff Daddy or P. Diddy, whatever he's called now. I always just say, that's right. Some kings here. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Our second straight flush of the night. So we remember, if you notice, these credits were sinking down here back to where we began, but that straight flush got us up pretty good. About 20 more hands to go for the night, and I think that's good. Good little practice. Do I hold this 5 and 6 too and try to get another straight flush, or just hold the deuce? Yep. Should have held that. Lord have mercy. All right, if I was playing in a real casino, I would have lost money on that one, so now I know to go for that straight flush again in that particular situation. I think oh man, this is tough. I don't think, is it going for the flush, or do you hold just the deuce? Oh, you're going for another straight flush. That's the play. So I was wrong on. Oh, 3-2 the royal. The ultimate in video poker, 3-2 a royal, trying to go for that royal flush with no deuces. Drum roll, please. Oh. All right, we tried, though. We made the right play. Man, all those wilds, all those deuces look good there. Oh, 4 of a kind, so we're up 60 credits. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, 7. Go for this full house right here. Nothing. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I think this is the play, even though I can have 3 to a royal flush with deuces. I think you still want to hold these 2 cards and that deuce. Let's see. I think that's it. Oh, man. Now, this is a monumental moment. If you watched my first video poker training, I mentioned that I never got 4 deuces ever in video poker. I've got a royal flush with no deuces, which is better, I know. So that's great. And I got plenty of royal flushes with deuces, but never 4 deuces. So this is a monumental day for me. So I'm pretty happy. And better yet, of course, I'm guaranteed to have a winning session. Remember, I was playing the 50 hands. The goal was to keep this in the 80% correct. I'm almost in the 90s, which is great. But this is a historic day for me. I've never, ever, in my short playing days of video poker, I've never got 4 deuces. So that's awesome. So I won 1,000 credits. And it's just the luck of the draw. It is gambling. So we'll play about 9 more hands. See if we can get a straight flush. Man, 4 deuces finally. Oh, Focus. Focus. Focus, Danielson. Focus. So tonight's a success, no matter what happens in these last remaining hands. Okay, that's the right play, isn't it? Yeah. And I admire anybody that can play video poker for hours on end and keep your focus and play 100% almost perfect play. I mean, that takes phenomenal skill, focus in a noisy casino. That's just, I'm sitting here in my house, you know, nice and quiet and stuff, and I lose my focus. Of course, I'm talking, but it's kind of like the story of my life, I think, talking and not paying attention sometimes. But this is good training for me. All right, a few more hands. What I got here? Anything? 6, 7. Yeah, I think that's it. So that was the right play. Nothing came of it, but that was the right decision. All right, this will be my last. Let's see what happens here. I'm guaranteed to have 3 of a kind, but you hold these 2 deuces, hope that you get some more deuces or something better. So 3 of a kind, and that's it. All right, so we played 51 hands, got 88% of those 51 hands correct. Of course, the ultimate goal is to get all of them correct if you want to have the best chance at beating video poker. This has been a really good session, I think. 51 hands, and out of those 51 hands, I've had 2 straight flushes, if I remember correctly, and 4 deuces, the first time ever. So this is great. So with more practice, hopefully this percentage will keep going up. I can't guarantee just because you play 100%, 90-some% correct doesn't mean you're going to win money. You got to get lucky and have the right cards fall your way. But we started out with 10,000 credits. We're ending with 11,000 credits, a little over 11,000. And it depends on the denomination you play. If you play quarter denominations, $1 denominations, $5 denominations, you just times that by 5 essentially. So that'd be 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, $1.25 with each hand dealt, so on and so forth. So depends on the credit that you play is how much I would have won. So very good session. This session, remember, this is only my second session that I recorded, and I'm getting better. My win percentage correct has went up since last time. As I keep doing these videos, I'm gonna get faster with practice. I get faster. I wouldn't be surprised here in the near future. I'm gonna be getting 100 hands in almost the same amount of time. But if you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you play video poker, let me know in the comments below. What's the best you ever done playing video poker? Can you make money playing video poker? That's just my little experiment. I want to see if you can actually make money playing video poker if you become skilled enough at it and make the right decisions and use almost near perfect strategy. So again, if you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks and take care.